For today's video, we're doing another classic cocktail, so buckle up.
Hi, I'm Caribbean Andy. I want to show you easy ways to make better cocktails at home and talk a little bit about my bartending experience on the way. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and well, hey, let's see what I'm going to make today.
Great. Today we're making a Champs-Élysées. It's a classic cocktail, first printed in 1930. That was, of course, during Prohibition here in America. But that's when a lot of classic cocktails were created over in Europe. This one is basically a riff on a sidecar. And if you do a Google search to find the recipe, you're going to find a few different variations on the ratios to use for your spirits. I've gone ahead and taken the guesswork out of that for you. You know, I worked at a bar where we did a lot of classic cocktails, and we spent a lot of our time, you know, sort of rejiggering those old recipes to figure out what worked best for modern palates. So that's what I'm sharing with you. The Champs-Élysées is great, though. To make one, all you need are things that you may or may not have at home. Cognac, I'm using Courvoisier. You're also going to need simple syrup, angostura bitters, and lemon juice. You should have all of those if you have a home bar. And then lastly, this one could go either way. This is Green Chartreuse. Chartreuse is a liqueur made by monks. There's over 130 different botanicals, secret recipe, very potent. This is famously used in the Last Word cocktail. Maybe you've got a bottle sitting around just to make those. I'd say it's worth it to go get yourself a bottle of cognac, and you can get something pretty affordable. You can try a Martell or a Hennessy, and go grab a bottle of cognac, and you can add another Green Chartreuse cocktail into your home bartending repertoire. So we will start out with, let's start with our base spirit, our cognac. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of Courvoisier. And then we'll do 1/2 ounce of Green Chartreuse, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and then just a single dash of angostura bitters. I should have had my glass chilling all this time. I never remember for videos, but if this was real life, I would do it correctly. I promise. Hire me. And then we're going to shake it, because there's juice in it. Discard our ice. And we'll go ahead and double strain. You could garnish this with a lemon peel. I won't. And then this punch glass, you can certainly put this in a coupe or a Nick and Nora. Put it in a coffee mug for all I care. It's going to be delicious either way. Oh! Ooh, this antler is just scratching right where it needs to. This is so delicious. Honestly, I would never order this if I just read the ingredients before I learned about this cocktail from a coworker. I didn't know a thing about it. And I would probably stay away. It sounds wacky to me. But it's really delicious. The sweetness of the cognac and the simple syrup balances out sort of the overwhelming booziness and herbaceousness of the chartreuse, but you get just like hints of it. And this is super drinkable. Like, you could do this as like I don't know, a $12 shooter. So good though. Strongly recommend making this at home. Definitely get some Green Chartreuse for your home bar. It's expensive. I get it. And get some Cognac too. Both bottles will open up so much of your cocktail making. And I mean, gosh, I have to film another video after this, but I might drink every last bit of this. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you haven't tried this recipe, please try it out and let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed. If you're old to the channel, definitely make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, help me out. Hit the like button. Tell your friends. Buy this sweatshirt. Do it all. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you next week. Cheers again. Ooh. It's so back to punch.